Hello everyone there. I hope you are doing good today, and I've decided to show you how to irrigate your vegetables in sacks and containers using very less water, because I've realized that many gardeners, they are complaining about the amount of water that they use in their gardens. So here is the key. Have a simple container, then cotton threads. As you can see here, these are the cotton threads, and make sure they are long enough, and they are made from cotton material. Then here I have the toothpicks. As you can see, these are simple toothpicks. I'm going to explain where they are going to be used, and you are going to see. The other thing, make sure that the threads, they are enough, that is according to the number of plants or vegetables that are in the sack or the container. This is the reason that this thread is the one that is going to transport water from the container to the specific plant or vegetable. So that is why I'm advising you that you have the number of threads that are the same number of the vegetables that are in a single sack or a container. So here, the first thing that you are supposed to do, take water, take your container, and then add the water in the container, just simple like that. After adding the water, take your threads, cotton threads, dip them in the water. Make sure that you soak them. They take in water. Make sure you soak them completely, some few seconds or a minute. After that, take the far end, take it out. Each thread goes to the specific plant, just like that. Then in the circle or container, you'll take this thread, then you can erect this thread, this toothpick, and the thread in the container or in the sack like that, just next to the plants. Then as you can see, there is a drip of water going on. So that is just as simple as that. So this water will just drip one by one, and what you are supposed to do is just adding the water in the container. You're not going to remove this container from the sack. You put the container of water in the middle of the sack. That is why it is advisable when you are planting your vegetables, you plant around the sack, but at the middle, just leave it. That is the function now. That space is going to have where you place your container like this, then you direct the threads to the specific plants. So far so good. You can see how it is doing. That is it. Let me take you to the sack and see what is going on. So you can see these are the seedlings of eggplant, and then I've placed my container of water in the middle of this sack. So as you can see, the way the water is dropping one by one direct to the plant. So the function of the toothpick is to hold or to support the thread so that the thread can take the water direct to the plant. That is as simple as that. And at the other side, you can see here, this is a kales. I've placed the container in the middle of the sack plus water and threads. So far so good. You can see how the water is dripping one by one direct to the plant. Look at this. Just wait some minutes, you see how that water is dripping like that. This other side, just wait some minutes, you see how that water is dripping. Good. So that is it. I hope that you are going to practice it, and then you make the work easy to minimize the amount of water that you use in your garden. Thank you very much, and thank you for following me. You can subscribe my YouTube channel, Orina Dominic. Thank you very much.